Hare Krishna. Today there is a unique common point, that is, if you see the joke, the slok, the practical point of Gita and Krishna's gem point. These are four different points, is it not? Between these four different points, there is one common thing, that is the expression, the difference between. Is a unique thing. Let us see the joke first. Vishnu's wife was just newly married. Any newly married wife, though she may not know cooking, she will expect her husband to appreciate small things also what she does. So one day she came to him in the morning and said, "You know, in our house, they always used to appreciate what I am doing, two things only." What is that? Semia kheer and rava upma. Vishnu was seeing the thing on his breakfast table. Then, in an irritated voice, he asked, "Which of those two? Tell me that." So that was in such a shape, taste and smell. The difference he is not able to say between these two things. Now let us see the difference in the sloka. Today's sloka is 3rd chapter, sloka 28.
तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणागुणेषु वर्तन्त इति मत्वा न सज्जते.
The sloka says, a man who is involved in sense gratification, because he does not know the difference between work in devotion, which is karma yoga, and work done for fruitive results. But those who are men of knowledge, they know the difference between these two. In the practical life, people are guided wrongly because they don't know the difference between good and bad things. That's why these things happen in every field. That way, Gita is vindicated. Now, the last difference is in the gem point of Krishna. Before we complete this episode, what is the gem point? Krishna knows the difference between. Krishna is going for an oath. He testifies. When other people do an oath, when Krishna does an oath, the difference between these two is other people's oaths are material things. Krishna's oath is all highly elevated spiritual subjects. When Parikshit was a stillborn baby, his mother Uttara pleaded with Krishna, prayed to him, "Please save my child." At that time, Krishna standing, he closed his eyes and then said, "If it is true that I always been following truth, if it is true that I always been following dharma, if it is true that I always been following brahmacharyam, then let this child get up." And wow, the child got up. So, what are the things he has pledged in this oath? Truth, he is absolute truth himself. Dharma, his birth itself is avatar, is for dharma. And brahmacharyam, he has been maintained because he has been maintaining because he is an absolute Naishtika brahmachari. So, this is the difference between the other people's oaths and Krishna's oath. Hare Krishna.